Have you ever successfully jumped it before?
One time.
Well, let's do it again then. It's not intimidating at all.
Last time I hit it as fast as I could, I went over my handlebars.
And still didn't clear it.
No, I cleared it, my bike didn't. My body cleared over the jump, but the bike didn't.
Right there.
I didn't shift up.
Yeah, no kidding. He just needs to jump the thing. What? Oh my gosh, just go faster. Oh my. Come on, buddy, go. Yeah, follow Kip. Follow Kip. Oh my God. My Lord.
I don't know what I'm saying.
Apparently nothing.
So like something quick, like what?
Just talk about the sick graphics we all have now.
We got sick graphics. ProLineDesigns.com. We need to invest in a teleprompter.
No.
Well, we finally got the bikes all kitted out. All three of our bikes. You want to look this good? ProLine.com. ProLine Design.
That was great. That was great. And if you want to have bubbles in your graphics,
We've officially decked out all the bikes. They look absolutely amazing. Kip's no longer looks like a Craigslist find, and Josh's is unrecognizable. So yeah, thanks to ProLine Designs for hooking us up. If you guys want a new set of graphics or a canopy, which looks awesome, mid-pack 25 for 25% off. Today we're at Bogey Bros MX. We have a whip off. There's a granny panties race. So today's gonna be interesting and we're gonna see Josh and Kip in granny panties. So. They look amazing. It's probably the graphics, but they do look good. Okay, so after this, there's apparently a whip contest. Now, there's a kid on an 85 who's probably gonna smoke us, but I figure try, right? We're here. Okay, you got that, boys?
What?
2 practice runs, 3 whips. Ah, hit the sticker.
By far, Noah smoked all your. Cam, you were second best, bro.
Participation
Yes.
trophy. Yeah. Dude, look at that. You see that?
Hey, watch out, that bike got cold.
Unbelievable.
Keep shaking.
Kip, how'd it go?
Hey, you actually had a decent one. I cleared the jump all 3 times.
We're doing a granny panties race, apparently. It's me and DJ versus Kip and Josh. Can't use your hands and putting them on. Relay style, you guys will get the drift. This is gonna be something. And it's gonna look like something.
How do you put them on without hands?
Which means you have to sit down, scoot them on, do whatever you got to do to get them on.
What?
This is fun, dude. You got to do what you
hands at all?
No, no hands at all. It's gonna be funny. I like it.
This is just one lap.
Oh, he's using his hand.
You can just take them off.
Oh, wow, I said no. All right.
Ankles only. How you guys feeling?
So good after seeing that.
Yeah. Wow, questionable images here. I'm gonna have to freaking censor half of this, dude.
I know.
Dude, that's good enough. Go right. No. Wow, that was a lot to take in.
Yeah, no kidding.
I need to start coming up with a game plan here. You guys have a game plan?
It's all about.
Hey, we're the slowest ones here, and we could probably still win
Right.
if we can get our undies on quick.
This is the most creative thing I've ever been a part
Most
of.
creative. Starting with 0 intensity.
Oh no.
Uh-oh. Oh, the plan didn't work. Wow. Yeah. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, dude, that'll work.
Someone tell me when I'm good.
Dude. Yeah, you're good. You're good. Wow, look at that. That was... Now to put in the most average pace lap ever. Whoa! My... What'd you say?
I was looking for the tag.
How are we gonna know who won?
Oh no!
How did you do this?
Pinch and roll.
What?
Yes!
Tell me when I'm good.
Good, you're good, that'll work.
Dude, it was more tiring getting the undies on.
Yeah, I bet. Yep, clean.
He's like, what do I do? Oh, it looks like you poo-pooed in me. Okay, hang on.
Oh, those things are on! How do you do?
Really good.
That was very good.
It made him feel some kind of wet.
Oh, dude, just absolute dream team at the end there. That was wild.
That was natural.
That was wild.
It was all natural.
Where do you guys think we're gonna end up now?
First.
Dead last?
I don't know.
So, in first place is Team 3, which is the cameraman's team.
Let's go.
Second place is Team 1, which is
Oh no!
Okay, this is for Cam's team.
Thank you.
Who came in second?
Guys, you got another plaque! You got another plaque! Yes.
Yay.